Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. The daily theme for yesterday was bear, and I asked ChatGPT to do some famous bears, and here's some that he came up with. These are from the movies. This is from the Jungle Book, and this was my favorite one. A couple of others that are also nice were this one here, and this one is kind of cute. Here we've got Paddington Bear, and here we've got someone in a bear costume. From The Wolf of Wall Street. Here's a scene from The Revenant. Here's a scary looking bear. This one I thought was pretty funny. ChatGPT decided to do a version of Jaws. So this is supposed to be Jaws, but you have a bear instead of a shark. And here you got a bear as a gladiator. So these were some movie type prompts. And I created a new script, which is similar to what I had previous, but a bit shorter, and it's a self-contained script, so it's just one thing that you can copy and paste, and I'll include the URL in the description of the video and the name of the ChatGPT prompt you can use. And in the future, I might talk some about the nitty-gritty details of the difference of the approach used in the previous version and this one. Okay, until next time, thanks for watching.